Many HyperX Cloud 2 users experience frustrating muting problems. These issues typically fall into two main categories that affect your gaming and communication experience. The first type involves the physical mute button on the USB control box failing to respond. The second type occurs when software-based muting through HyperX Ingenuity or Windows System Controls stops working properly. To understand these problems, we need to examine the key hardware components that make the muting system work. The HyperX Cloud 2 control box contains several critical components. The physical mute button toggles the microphone on and off. The LED indicator shows red when muted and turns off when unmuted. The USB audio controller processes all mute commands and volume adjustments. The headset itself also plays a crucial role in the muting system. The microphone hardware includes built-in mute detection capabilities and works in coordination with the control box to manage audio input signals. Now that we understand the hardware, let's examine what causes these muting problems. The most common causes include driver conflicts between Windows generic USB audio drivers and HyperX specific drivers. Hardware failures can occur due to control box wear or manufacturing defects. Software conflicts with third-party audio applications also cause problems. Finally, Windows Audio Service issues can affect all USB audio devices. Windows 11 updates have introduced additional compatibility challenges. Windows 11 updates have occasionally caused compatibility issues with the headset's control box functionality, particularly affecting the mute toggle mechanism and driver recognition. Understanding these components and common causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. In the next section, we'll explore specific solutions to fix these muting problems. First, we'll inspect the hardware components. Check your control box for any physical damage and verify the LED functionality. Try different USB ports, preferably USB 2.0 ports. Connect directly to motherboard ports rather than front panel or USB hubs for better stability. For software solutions, start by uninstalling current audio drivers through Device Manager. Then download the latest HyperX Ingenuity software from the official website. Install the HyperX Ingenuity software to manage your headset settings and ensure proper driver functionality. Configure Windows audio settings properly. Set HyperX Cloud 2 as the default communication device and disable audio enhancements. Check microphone privacy settings in Windows. Ensure both device access and app access are enabled for your microphone. If problems persist, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. This can automatically detect and fix common audio issues. For advanced users, consider using third-party software like Voicemeeter for enhanced audio control, or contact HyperX support for firmware updates and hardware replacement if needed. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most HyperX Cloud 2 muting issues. Start with hardware inspection, then move to software solutions, and finally try advanced methods if needed.